Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you the final DIY in the 12 days of Craftmas event that I participated in. That's right, today is the last day of the DIYs for this event. So if you want to see what I've come up with, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So I have 2 of the arrows that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I have 2 of the 5-gallon paint sticks wherein I had cut the handles off, painted them all in the Ultra Matte Carbon Color Paint by Deco Art. This is a Pop Shelf color paint. And I am just creating a frame, and not just any frame. This is a Pinterest inspired piece, and it is the stylish photo frame. And as you can see, I am just touching up where some of the paint was still showing through. And now I'm taking some of that jute twine that I purchased from Walmart, and that's going to be what I used as the hangers for this piece. And while you watch me do this, I would like to welcome everybody back to my channel. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. To my returning subscribers, welcome back. And I just want you all to know that I appreciate you all so very much for rocking with your girl and also showing your support. And if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, but you find yourself coming back and just watching me put these crafts together, why not hit that subscribe button? And while you at it, don't forget about that notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. And so as you can see, I am just stretching the twine, adding my staples to the end. I did glue the twine on the back first and then add in the staples to secure it even more. And this is not a piece that you can use that and hang anything heavy. And then you'll see me just wrap the twine around where each row ends. That way, if any of the staples that was used came through the wood and I couldn't get it removed, this will protect your fingers so that no one would get hurt. But I think I did a good job of removing it. And as you can see, I'm just going around each row. And I really think this turned out cute. That Ultra Matte Carbon Color paint really looks good with that the jute twine. Guys, I done messed around and color code. Can you believe that? And as you can see, I am just adding the bows to where the twine was wrapped on the edge of the rows. I've added the miniature clothespins to each row. I put 2 on each one. I think this will be great for someone that's living in a senior living facility or nursing home to be able to share their memories. And guys, this is the final reveal, and there your girl go. I think this turned out cute. I really enjoyed making this piece. I really have enjoyed the 12 days of Craftmas, and I encourage everyone to participate in this challenge. Maybe next year, if you find it in your heart to do so. And if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell, because that's how YouTube know to push out our content, my content, and recommend it to others. And guys, I want to also say that I will be doing the 5 days of Christmas leading up to Christmas starting tomorrow. So if there's nothing else, guys, I pray that each and every one of you have a blessed day. And until the next DIY, bye guys.